So we're going to jump back in time to shortly after I got interested in astronomy, when during one of my trips I was in Copenhagen, Denmark, and learned that the Round Tower, which was situated in the center of town, actually had a telescope and you could visit it. So, pulling some strings, we made time to go and check it out and head up to the telescope, only to our surprise to find out that they were actually not only had the telescope, but they had it open for solar observing that day for the public. So of course, I had to have a look through it, and it was absolutely amazing, as there were several sunspots on the sun that day, but also I managed to grab this quick picture, which, as far as I know, is the first solar picture I have ever taken. So pretty darn cool. And this is a great example of how public outreach can really push somebody to get into this hobby, as I went and when I returned to Canada, actually purchased my own solar film so I could take pictures through my cameras and telescope later on and get to where I am today. Thanks for watching.